car, you're gonna get tased.
Stop! Oh! Oh my God! This is the first time. I've got 5 kids. First time anything like this has ever happened.
What was supposed to be a normal morning, dropping her child off at school, turned into a nightmare in front of the students.
I can't breathe! I can't breathe! I forgot all that stuff was in there.
You forgot all that stuff was in your purse?
Yes. I remember that I put my weed in there. You know, I'll smoke a blunt occasionally.
When she ignored a protection order, police were forced to take her into custody right there in front of the children. It looked like an ordinary day at the school gate. No one expected officers would have to deploy a taser in front of dozens of students watching.
Get out of the car. Get out of the car, you're gonna get tased.
Stop! Oh! Oh my God! Oh! I can't breathe! I can't breathe!
The woman insisted she was just taking her child to class, but officers warned she was violating a restraining order and ordered her to leave immediately. The more she argued, the more the situation escalated.
Why am I being pulled over?
Ma'am, pull over here.
Why am I being pulled over?
Miss, pull over here right now.
I would suggest you call your chief of police right now. I'm on the phone with my attorney.
Step out. Ma'am, step out of the car. 142, I need another unit. I'm on the side of the school. Ma'am, pull over here. Ma'am, pull over here.
700, 142. Did you copy 143?
Give me some more cars. She's refusing to come out of the car. Getting ridiculous. Ma'am, pull over here so I can unblock traffic.
Why am I being pulled over?
Ma'am, you're being investigated for a violation of protection order. You're not allowed on school grounds.
I'm allowed to drop my daughter off here at school.
Okay,
I've been doing it all year.
Okay, listen, I had a complaint. I'm just doing the investigation, okay?
You can do it right here and you can call
Okay.
the chief of police.
Okay, can you pull over so
I'm
you
going
can...
to call my attorney. So
Can-
this is getting serious now.
Okay, I don't care.
I haven't violated anything.
Okay, I'm doing the investigation and now you're
I'm
obstructing.
late for work.
You're obstructing now.
I'm not obstructing. You're
Okay.
not telling me why I'm being detained.
I just told you that you're being investigated for a violation of protection order. There's nothing in the protection order that says you can drop your foster daughter off.
Where's the protection order? Can I see it?
Yeah, it's back here. Pull over here.
I'm not going to.
I'm going to bust the window and remove
Going to
you.
bust
If
my
you don't,
window?
yeah, absolutely. I've got more officers.
Officer McConnell, you're going to bust my window at a
You're
school?
under arrest. Step out of the car.
I'm under arrest?
Yes, you're under arrest.
What? What
Step
am I
out.
being
You
under
are
arrest
obstructing
for?
official business. Step out.
I'm under arrest for what?
You
Call
are-
the chief of police now.
Go ahead and call the police, she yelled, unaware she was already speaking to them. With seconds of defiance, the scene exploded and officers were forced to act.
She won't get out. All right, listen. You're under arrest.
When I speak to the chief of police,
You're
I'm not under arrest. I haven't done anything wrong.
Okay.
I'm dropping my daughter off at
You see
school.
this?
You're breaking the window?
I'm going to break the window and remove you.
You're
Step out.
Facebook Live.
Okay, I don't care.
You're
Step
being
out.
videoed in front of my
Step
attorney.
out. Step out of the car.
143, you
Where's
check
the
out.
chief of police?
Step out of the car.
Where's the chief of police?
Step out of the car. I'm going to bust the window and remove you.
Where's the chief of police?
You don't get that.
You're 721.
Ma'am, I'm going to tell you one more time.
Speak to the backup, but I'm not speaking to you.
Step out of the car. You're
I'll
under
speak
arrest.
to whoever else you are with you. Call for backup. I do not feel comfortable with you.
Ma'am, there's another officer on the other side. Step out of the car. You're under arrest.
Speak to him, but I'm not speaking to you.
Okay. One last chance. Are you going to get out of the car?
Bust my window?
Get out of the car.
You're not placing me under arrest.
Get out of the car. Get out of the car. You're going to get tased. Get out of the car. Get straight on the ground.
Stop! Oh! Oh my God! Oh my God! Oh my God! Help me! Oh! Help me!
When she continued to ignore commands, a loud crack from the taser echoed. She screamed, collapsed, and students stood shocked in silence, not knowing what they had just witnessed.
I can't breathe! I can't breathe! I can't breathe! I can't breathe! Help me, please! Help me, please! You are my leg! You are my leg! You are my leg! You are my
4211.
Please help me! Please help me! Please help me! Somebody!
Yes, ma'am.
Please help me! Please help me! Officer, please help me!
Tell Taser's been deployed.
You're clear on Taser deployment 723.
Somebody, please help me! Please help me! Please help me! Please, ow! Ow! Ow, please help me! Please help me! Please help! Why did he do that? I'm just dropping my daughter off at school! What is wrong with you? What is wrong with you?
Stop, you're being disorderly.
What is wrong with you?
You're being disorderly,
You
stop.
hurt me! Why would you do that? Why would you do that? I'm dropping my daughter off to school! There's nothing wrong with that! I haven't done anything wrong! I'm dropping my daughter off like I do every day! Help me! Somebody help! Help me! Help me! Please don't let him touch me! Please don't let him touch me! Please don't let him touch me! Oh,
700,
help!
122, 122. Do you need a medic?
Stop.
Somebody help me, please! Please help me out! Oh my God, you hurt my arm!
Walk.
Stop! I can't! You hurt my leg!
Walk.
Somebody help!
Walk.
Somebody help me! I gotta shut my car
I'll
off!
take care of it.
I don't want you touching my car!
Moments later, she was handcuffed and taken away, facing multiple charges. Yet through tears, she kept insisting, I bring my child here every day.
Pull your feet in.
Where is the protection order?
I have a copy of
I
it. Pull your feet
want the protection order. Show me. I don't
Okay.
want you touching me.
in. I'm gonna put you in the car if you don't get in. Now pull your feet
Why
in.
are you doing this?
You're ridiculous.
Ridiculous that you pulled me over in front of my kid?
No, I didn't.
Ridiculous that you pulled me.
Pull your feet in.
Principal, could you please come here? No, McConnell, don't touch me. I'm already bleeding everything out. I'm actually talked before.
Get in the car.
Please tase me. Please tase me. Put me out of the door. Please take out the picture. I can't drop off. But I can. I've been
Ma'am,
doing it for months.
get in the car.
You won't stop tasing me, please.
Get in the car.
Can you please
You're
help?
gonna get hit with pepper spray. Get in the car.
I'm not doing anything wrong. You have the protection order on file. I've been dropping off for months.
Get in the car. You're gonna get pepper sprayed.
I don't know what's going on. Just get in the car.
Get in the car. You're gonna get pepper sprayed.
Call somebody. I can't call. How can I call anybody? Why am I being arrested for?
You're being arrested for obstruction and resisting arrest. Now get in the car.
I didn't know. You said I was being arrested for something else. Now it's changed.
I told you that you were being investigated for violation of protection.
I'm not. I've dropped off every day for 3 months, 4 months.
Pull your feet in. Pull your feet in, please.
Okay, take a deep breath. Could you please turn off my car and get my purse?
Ma'am, no. I gotta tow it. Pull your feet in.
You don't have to tow it. I'm parked in a parking spot.
Pull your feet in.
You're gonna tow it so the town makes money off of that?
Pull your feet in.
Could you at least grab my purse?
Ma'am,
It has everything in it.
Sit down and get in the car, please. I don't want to hit you with pepper spray.
Well, you've already hit me enough, haven't you?
Get in the car.
Isn't this ridiculous? Can you go look at the CPO that's on file?
She's in the back of the car if you just want to check her. Can you pull over here so you're not blocking, please?
That doesn't tell me what's hurting you. I'm asking.
My stomach, my left knee,
Is that-
my shoulders,
is that
my
hard?
shoulders hurt. Yes, it hurts.
Okay.
That's what hurts.
Do you want to go to the hospital?
In handcuffs?
Do you want to go to the hospital? You're under arrest from
For
them.
what?
I don't know. I just got
Rather
here.
be told what I'm arrested for.
Okay, I'm sure.
You're under arrest for disorderly conduct, persistent disorderly conduct, misdemeanor of the fourth degree. You're under arrest for obstruction of official business. You're under arrest for resisting arrest. You're under arrest for violation of a protection order.
I just want you alone with me. I want you to have backup.
Well, this is not Burger
That's my
King.
right.
It's not Burger King. You don't get it your way. So I apologize in advance to the children because I, in a million years, did not think that this would happen, and I feel terrible for the
She was formally charged with violating a protection order, assault, failure to obey police commands, resisting law enforcement, and disorderly conduct. Next, it was a peaceful day in Utah until police received a report of a 3-year-old left alone inside a car. But when confronted, the mother had no idea why she was about to be arrested.
This is the first time. I've got 5 kids. This is the first time anything like this has ever happened to me. I forgot all that stuff was in there.
You forgot all that stuff was in your purse?
Yes. I remember that I put my weed in there. You know, I'll smoke a blunt occasionally.
On June 6, 2024, a routine call about a child left in a car revealed alarming neglect. The mother, upon arrival, seemed confused and oblivious to the severity of the charges.
I'll get them come over here and talk to you. 305-455.
First time I'm confused.
She doesn't understand why she's going to jail. Can you explain that to her?
Okay, so you don't understand why you're going to jail?
I'm assuming it's because I left her in the car.
You're assuming. So you think it's
I know it's because I left her in the car.
Okay, so you think it's running and you run inside to a store to get a ring?
No.
Okay, that's child neglect. You were gone for over 15 minutes.
He said that the woman said I was gone for over 15
There's multiple people stating you were.
Well, there's multiple people stating that I was.
So that's the reason. Unattended in a vehicle. You shouldn't do it for 5 minutes, let alone 15, 16 minutes.
When officers checked the car, they found that no biological parent with legal custody was present, meaning the child was considered abandoned under state law.
Police scare me. Jail scares me. I've never. This is the first time. I've got 5 kids. This is the first time anything like this has ever happened to me. I just got off work. I've been at work since 4:45 this morning.
Go right over here. Yeah, I'm gonna all right. Step in. Blunt.
The other 27 in there.
It's not a regular vape.
The mother admitted to using marijuana and pills from street sources, acknowledging the risks but continuing the behavior. How could she endanger her child this way?
Through the day.
What are they?
From my understanding, jigs, beans. But with fentanyl going around, that's why you found so many. I was scared to take them.
Those are the colorful ones?
Yes.
Okay. What was in the little bag?
That was powder. From my understanding, it's powder.
Right.
But I'm scared to take a lot of stuff nowadays than I did back then because I was younger back then. I forgot all that stuff was in there.
You forgot all that stuff was in your purse?
Yes. I remember that I put my weed in there. You know, I'll smoke a blunt occasionally, but all that other stuff I really don't. I take my B12 pill, and that's about it. But I did. I forgot. I forgot all that was in there. I'm sorry. I don't have no other explanation.
Where'd you get it from?
Off the streets. Just off the streets. I mean, people random. People that I work with. I work with a lot of drug dealers. Homes of merit, you can find anything there. But
Talk about the wax.
No, I haven't asked that yet.
my vape.
No, the little square squishy wax. It's a little square. Kind of looks like a throat lozenge.
I got it from my dad.
Okay, what is that?
It helps me sleep. It's a gummy.
Okay.
It's a gummy. He has a medical card, so we had an Easter egg hunt, and I found the one with the gummy in it, and that's why it's there. I don't. That's why they're all still there. I don't take it like I smoke bud.
So y'all had an Easter egg hunt and hid
My dad did.
gummies in them.
Yeah. For the adults. You know, it's for the adults, but more or less me and my sister Tiffany.
In Utah, placing a child in danger or abandoning them in a vehicle is treated as child endangerment, a serious offense, punishable by 1 to 5 years in prison. The woman was arrested and charged with child endangerment, possession of narcotics and paraphernalia, misuse of a handicap parking permit, and obstruction for refusing to comply with police orders. All because she left the child in the car just for a moment. She now faces a felony.
Either way, we need the items back, whether we get them.
Right here.
Are they tucked in there, or can you just pull them out? Unlock your fingers.
When confronted by security, the woman immediately fought back, denying everything and insisting she was innocent. But was she really telling the truth?
Any stores today?
Yeah, I just came to the mall.
Okay, so I'm just gonna read your rights real quick. You have your right to...
What?
Just listen here. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can and will be used against you in the court of law.
Hello? Why is he recording me? What's going on?
What store were you in today?
I just went into paint and I went into... I forgot where I went into before that.
Okay. All right. Did you conceal any merchandise on you? Did you take any clothing? Because we're going to go to the store and look at the cameras. So...
Okay.
So did you take any clothing?
No, I did not.
Okay. You just do me a favor, hang up the phone real quick while I'm speaking with you. Do you have an ID on you?
No, I don't. I have a picture of it on my phone. I recently lost because it got expired.
Okay. All right. Let me see your ID real quick.
It's expired.
Okay.
It's expired on my birthday.
Do you have a valid one, or is it the only one you have?
No, it recently just expired. That's a copy of the one I have.
Okay.
But recently just expired.
Sorry, I got out of it. Where was it?
When the surveillance footage was shown, her lies began to crumble, and she was forced to come up with shocking excuses to explain herself.
Arrest for what?
You're not under arrest. You're just being detained at this time.
Detained for what, though, officer?
For potentially shoplifting.
For potentially? Not for actually potentially?
So you're matching the description of somebody that reported shoplifting in a store.
I just literally got to this mall.
So we're looking at camera footage right now.
Okay.
If you didn't shoplift, you'll be on your way. That's it.
Okay.
Okay. So what did you take from the store?
I didn't see. For what store?
What's in your dress that you took from the store? You're on camera.
What camera am I on, officer?
Every camera that's in the store caught you putting stuff in your dress.
In what store?
So I'm gonna let me explain how this is gonna go down. Okay.
Yeah.
So you're gonna be placed under arrest. And then you're going to be searched, and we're going to find the items. Either you can just give them to us now, or when we have an officer come and search you and find the items, then we can charge you additionally.
Okay, and what happened? My kids go back to school tomorrow.
Is that why you took the items?
Oh, my daughter's school, and her birthday's tomorrow.
Okay, well, let's give us the items that you have concealed under your dress, and then we'll get you out of here as soon as we can.
No, I know y'all gonna arrest me. So
Either way, we need the items back, whether we get them.
Right here?
Are they tucked in there, or can you just pull them out?
Taken to a private room, she reluctantly removed the hidden goods from under her dress, revealing a shocking amount that even stunned the officers.
And whatever you have, you just throw on the ground.
Okay. My Lester's going to pull you out.
Make sure it's all of it, because, like I said, you're going to get searched back then. If you don't turn it over now, we're going to charge you additionally. Okay.
Am I going to make it off on my daughter's birthday tomorrow?
Yes.
That's all I care.
Okay. Just confirm that's everything.
Like on a week.
I said confirm that's everything that's on you. Make sure that's everything that's on you. Definitely nothing else in there. Like that. It's a New York deal at the top.
I just want to make it for my daughter.
That's definitely it, right? Because I'm telling you, you're going to get searched. She's going to go under your dress. And... Okay. Can you just take the dress off? I mean, you have pants underneath, right? Okay.
So I feel comfortable taking it off, but I have nothing else.
I'm sorry?
I don't feel comfortable.
You don't want to take it off? Okay.
I feel comfortable.
Like I said, as long what's this strap here?
It's for the dress.
Okay. All right, so like I said, you're going to get searched when we get down there. If there's more merchandise, that could be an issue.
Can you just be honest with me?
What's up?
Am I going to make it for my daughter's birthday?
Yes. like I said, you were pretty transparent, right? You did admit to it.
Show you her date of birth.
Right? So, are you going to get arrested? Yes. You're going to get processed. I will do my best to get you out of here today. Okay? Okay? All right. Just come over here and. All right. Come over here and just stand on the wall here. Just put your hands behind your back.
Am I able to go on my phone because I don't have no number?
It's all going to come with you. I'm going to let you make a phone call when we get back to the police department, okay? Unlock your fingers.
Yeah, that's understandable.
In the end, the stolen goods were counted one by one, and the total value was jaw-dropping.
Because there's Victoria's Secret in there.
Yeah, so when you went in pink, you took stuff from there as well?
It was only pink and aloe.
Aloe? Just those two stores? Okay.
Is your accent is decent about it?
All right, well.
I think you're more worried about the merchandise.
There's Victoria's Secret, too.
Alright. I'll rather get a statement.
All right.
What he does is trying to run you over that way.
Please allow me to call.
I'm sorry?
I just want to make sure I get to make a call.
I'm going to let you, I got your phone. I'm going to let you make a call when we get back.
You got the other phone too?
Yeah, he's got it right over there with your purse. So it's all going to come with you. All right. I'll take it, brother. Do you have any weapons on you?
No, sir.
No knives?
Nothing.
Guns? Razor blades? Wire cutters? Nothing like that?
Nothing.
Okay. How'd you get up to the mall today?
Somebody gave me a ride.
Okay, so do you have a car here?
No.
How'd you plan on leaving?
The person was supposed to meet me there.
Okay, you're not here with anybody else?
I live in Queens, so the person would give me a ride where I could take like a metronome back to because I live in the address I gave you is Rosedale.
Okay. All right. So you weren't here with anybody else? Okay.
The woman was found to have taken a total of $788.55 from the Aloe store and $1,161.00 from Victoria's Secret for a total value of more than $1,900.00. She was charged with theft. Next episode, a Louis Vuitton bag worth $1,200.00 goes missing inside the store, and suspicions turn toward a wealthy, well-dressed customer.
And it appears that you have been named as a potential suspect, and so, unfortunately, by law, you do have to turn over your driver's license for our investigation.
This is true. That's not even true. I wasn't even on the road.
That could have been me. I could have misheard, but it sounded like you were the only person in there. I understand. This is probably just, like, again, wrong place, wrong time. It could just be you inadvertently picked something up when you didn't mean to. I don't know to tell you. But anything you can do to help us, we can put this to bed. If it was the other person, maybe there's video of the other person doing it. But there is cameras in there. So I just want to put this to bed one way or the other. If you could help us in that, that would be awesome. But I am going to need you right now. Sorry to be a pain.
No, it's not a pain. This is really embarrassing.
I'm so sorry. But I will say, is inside of your purse brown?
Yes. Well, I have.
A brown Louis Vuitton in there?
No.
It sure looks like it. Right there.
No.
Right there.
Could see it.
Yeah.
No.
Man, I don't want to place you under arrest. And I don't want you in the store.
No. That's so
Okay.
wrong.
It's in front of you. I can see it in your bag. Turn over your driver's license, unless you want to get put in handcuffs right this moment.
No, I don't want to.
Okay, so I already saw it in plain view. Okay? Take the bag off. You're gonna get put in handcuffs. And I'm trying to treat you with respect.
So much, you could have gone so much easier. Just give us your ID and turn on the person.
I don't even know if the victim wants to pursue this at this point. Okay?
Police approached the woman calmly, starting with gentle questioning. But the atmosphere quickly shifted as her responses grew evasive.
Or do you want to see if we can try to work this out? Yes or no?
I'd like to leave.
That's not going to happen now. I already saw it. So you can either help us out here, and maybe she doesn't want to pursue this because she gets her belongings back, or I'm going to place you in handcuffs and you're going to be arrested for theft. And in addition to being arrested for theft, if there's any credit cards in there, you're going to get charged with those too.
I don't have credit
any credit cards that are in that particular Louis Vuitton that you're covering, every single one of those is an additional charge.
I don't have any other credit cards. They're my own credit cards.
Okay, the brown Louis Vuitton that I just saw.
Do you know I have Louis Vuitton checkbook? I have Louis Vuitton wallet?
I'm sure you do. But you have been identified. I just saw that in plain view. It matches exactly to what she's describing. We're not playing this game anymore, man.
I'm not playing this game either.
Okay.
This is
Let
wrong.
me have your ID.
This is wrong.
I'm sure it is. I need your ID, and I will not ask again. I can assure you of that.
You're already getting the ID out. Let's just get the ID out again. We saw it was in there, so we're not covering anything up anymore. Just give us the ID so we can go from there.
It's a misunderstanding. It is what it is, but we have to document everything that we spoke to, and we need to see some ID.
We can do this now here, or we can just handcuff you here and cross you where the cars are. Probably one of the busiest streets in Summit. So we can resolve this here. There's only 4 or 5 officers here, or we can go across the street and place them in handcuffs. Where there's probably going to be people who are going to be reporting this on the public sidewalk, and they can do that. So I think it's in your best interest that we handle this here. So can we see that first? And can we have your ID?
That's not
happening.
It's not happening. It's too late.
No, don't do that.
Yep. I gave you the option,
Don't do that.
Man.
Okay, I'll give it to you.
Okay. Then give it to us.
Give it over.
Can you
Stop
please look
pulling
over
away.
me?
Stop pulling away.
Look over me.
No, stop pulling away and give us the bag.
This is not up for discussion, okay?
Now, or you're going to handcuffs.
I gave you the option before.
Okay, here.
It's too late.
No.
No,
We gave you the
no.
opportunity.
Stop, man. Stop.
Can you please help me?
No. We're not helping you. You're on the fast now. Ma'am, stop.
Ma'am.
Stop. This is ridiculous. Stop. You're not going to win this. You're not going to win this.
I promise you.
Please don't.
Now you're resisting.
Ma'am.
You want to get charged with resisting too? 'Cause that's
No.
what are you doing? Stop. This could have gone a lot easier.
It's too late.
It's too late for you.
Road in front of the entire public. We're trying to be respectful of it.
The moment the stolen bag was found, everything flipped 180 degrees. The police moved in for a swift and harsh takedown.
You're not being respectful of us.
Either take this bag off or I'm going to cut it off. All right, take your right arm off. No, you don't need your left arm. Stop resisting.
Please stop resisting.
No, please stop.
Doesn't have to be this way. Please stop resisting.
I'm just going to cut it off in 2 seconds because I don't really care about the straps and let it go.
Stop walking away. Alright, we got it. You made this a lot easier. How about that?
I'll go down here.
Too late. Get on your stomach.
This is insane. You're a grown woman.
Oh, this is...
Why are you twisting your arm? You're going to hurt
I'm
yourself.
not. I'm trying
Because
to
we'll just break it if you don't.
I'm not trying to resist.
Well, you already did, so you're getting charged with that too. Congratulations.
Hold on, let me lock. Hold on. Go.
The gloves slid under there. You want to grab it on the left side of the table. Just one of the gloves slid over there. Yeah, you're going to jail. So,
Are you serious?
absolutely.
Yeah, now.
From a heated argument to a violent struggle, everything erupted into a dramatic arrest right in the middle of a crowded street.
So, the easiest way is to slide backwards, all right?
Can I just ask you something?
No.
No, please.
Man, just slide back there, please. You can ask me when we go inside, all right? It's cold.
Can I please?
Just slide back, okay?
Can I please?
When we get inside, I'm freezing. Let's go. Come on.
No,
It's
but
not
can
it's
I
not
please?
changing the outcome.
We're going to walk down the street. It's a 2-minute ride.
No, but can I please just go?
No, get in. Come on.
I
You're
am
not-
begging you.
Okay, that's not going to work, so come on, sit back.
Wait, but you know what? But sir,
You made a decision. Go
okay,
inside.
my screw up.
Okay.
All right, let's go.
I am begging you.
Maybe the girl doesn't want to pursue it. I don't know. But
Okay,
doesn't she?
okay.
Go inside
can
the car.
I just tell you something?
No. Go inside.
No, please listen to me.
You need to be aware of your Miranda rights before you say anything. Okay?
Okay,
So
I'm
don't
just
say
going to ask you
don't
something.
say anything until you are read your Miranda rights. I'm not asking you any questions, and I don't want to hear anything from you at this point. Okay? So
Nothing you
please,
say is going to change
just
anything.
get in the back of the car.
Can I tell you something, please?
No, we don't need to hear anything, all right?
Please
Sit
listen to
back.
me. Do you know?
We just wrestled inside. Do you want to wrestle again and get in the back? Because we don't want to do that. So just sit back, please. We're asking you nicely. We don't.
I am begging you.
You need to
I'm
get in
here.
the car. We already put you down on the floor in there because you want to resist arrest. Get in the car. We don't want to have to force you in the car.
That's my fault.
Okay,
so
it's about to be in the car. Go inside.
Go inside. Can you listen to me for a minute, please?
Come on.
No. Okay,
Sit backwards. Sit backwards. Watch your head.
Will you please listen to me? Sir?
Swing your feet in,
Will you
please.
please listen to me?
I'll listen to you when we get inside, all right?
Can you listen to me for a minute, please?
Can you stop for a minute, please?
I know. Can
Just
you
sit back,
listen to me?
please. I don't know what's going on with you, but just sit back, all right?
Listen to me for a minute.
We will inside, all
No,
right?
listen to me
All right,
for
hold
a
on
minute.
here.
Your feet are here. You're going to hurt your feet.
Hold on. Okay. Put your feet inside. All right, what do you have to say? Come here, put your feet in. Can I go inside so I'm not freezing? Put your feet in.
No, will you please listen to me for a minute?
In New Jersey, theft can be punished severely depending on the value of the property, ranging from up to 20 years in prison and fines of up to $200,000, 0 cents for felonies. Lisa faces 2 charges, theft of property and resisting arrest, shopping in luxury but ending up with a one-way trip to jail instead. On July 7th, 2021, Lee County Port Authority officers were present on a flight to handle a disruptive passenger. According to the flight attendants, this passenger, later identified as Shroang, exhibited strange behavior and repeatedly failed to comply with mask-wearing requirements despite numerous reminders. Furthermore, this passenger caused a disturbance on the plane and spat on other passengers. The flight attendants informed the Port Authority officers that the captain wanted the passenger removed from the aircraft. In Florida, the flight crew has the authority to request a passenger to leave the plane for safety or order reasons as per Federal Aviation Administration regulations. The captain has the final say to ensure the safety of the flight, including the right to refuse transport to a passenger if deemed necessary. Port Authority officers can intervene if a passenger violates security regulations. Passengers have the right to be informed of the reason for being asked to leave the plane and can file a complaint if their rights are violated.
We're going to take you off the aircraft.
Yep, you're going to have to get off the aircraft,
Yeah,
okay?
and you're at the...
She's a representative of the aircraft. They don't want you flying on their plane today, so you're going to have to get off the
After they
aircraft.
made us wait and wait and wait.
But right now, I'm going to
And
need you...
that's fine, and I will respect that.
Okay.
And I did not do anything, actually.
We'll talk about it outside.
Disruptive. And you know what? I live in America, and that's what...
Calm down.
No, you know
Listen
that.
to me. Grab your bag.
You know that.
When asked to gather her belongings and leave, Shroang said something very odd. When asked to gather her belongings and leave, Shroang ignored the order, argued loudly, and displayed aggressive behavior towards the police. Additionally, she exhibited strange behavior and seemed to have severe mood swings. Note her sudden changes in facial expressions as if experiencing various emotions rapidly throughout this interaction.
No one's going to put their hands on you unless
all
you
right,
have to.
yeah, you
Grab
won't.
your bag and
Yeah.
but I need you to get up.
No.
Okay?
You need me to get up? You may need me to get up, but you know what I feel my need to do as a person?
You need to calm down.
No, I'm gonna do what I need to
Calm
do. You're gonna do whatever you feel you need to do to me, right?
You ready?
So no, to everybody.
Stand up, man.
Yeah, everybody is
You're
doing
gonna get
this.
arrested. You're going to get arrested if you don't stand up and get off the aircraft.
Probably already gonna. I really
Then stand up and get off the aircraft. That's all you have to do.
It's not about that.
I'm going to ask you one more time, and then I'm going to have to put my hands on you, okay?
For what reason? You're gonna put no. And that's fine. Why do you have a right to put your hands on me, though?
Okay, let's go.
No, why do you have a right to put your hands on me?
Ma'am.
That makes you feel like you have a right to put your hands on me. Seriously, though.
At this point, the woman continued to cause a disturbance and disrupt the plane, prompting the officer to warn that if she did not cooperate, she would be arrested. Based on the woman's actions, she could be arrested under the following laws. Resisting an officer. According to Section 843.02 of the Florida statutes, any person who willfully resists, obstructs, or opposes a police officer or any other law enforcement officer in the lawful execution of their duties by any means without violence can be charged with resisting an officer without violence. This is a first-degree misdemeanor in Florida. Disorderly conduct. According to Section 877.03 of the Florida statutes, engaging in loud arguments and aggressive behavior can be considered disorderly conduct. This includes any actions that cause unnecessary public disturbance or annoyance. The penalty for this offense may include a fine of up to $500 and/or imprisonment for up to 60 days.
That was already happening. Don't.
And you're going to jail, just so you know.
That was already happening.
Get up and walk out with me right now.
Yeah.
But if you're not going to,
trust
that. Right now,
do you see how that's a threatening system?
That's the way it is, man.
Not cool.
Get off the plane.
Can I trust you to not? I feel like you're still gonna.
Grab your stuff. Grab your stuff.
Are
Get
you
off the aircraft. Listen, have I touched you yet? I'm trying to get you off the aircraft. That's all we're trying to do.
If I get off the plane, you said you wouldn't arrest me. So you as a cop should have to honor. No, you should though. You should have to honor that. That's my right. Or you're not respecting my human right.
At this point, the woman continued to be disruptive and disorderly, and out of concern for the safety of other passengers, officers were forced to remove Schroen from the flight before the order to deplane was issued. In this case, if the officers acted to ensure the safety of other passengers and maintain public order, their actions in forcibly removing the disruptive passenger from the plane could be considered reasonable and lawful. Airlines and aviation security agencies have the authority to restrain and handle passengers who pose a disturbance or threat to the security and safety of a flight. Specifically, the Regulation 14 CFR 9111 of the Federal Aviation Administration stipulates that no passenger may interfere with the duties of the flight crew.
I didn't do anything that did anything to... No, man, that's not okay. You know it.
29 Central, 1015.
1015.
Get over here. Up against the wall. Some handcuffs, okay?
I didn't do anything wrong.
yeah, we tried talking to you.
We didn't. I talked back to you, and I was calm. Honestly, acknowledge me for a moment.
Leave your hands there.
Why did you do that? Like that? It didn't have to be like that.
Come with me.
I wasn't doing it.
Come with.
The suspect was escorted off the plane and arrested, reacting childishly and crying unconvincingly. She seemed to feel that this experience violated her human rights. Her self-perception of her actions was far from reality, making it difficult to determine whether she was intentionally lying or had other reasons.
See, you lied right there, man. You said if I got up, why would I stop when you lie to me? How is anyone gonna stop anything when you lie to them? I had my chance. You didn't even give me a chance. I looked at you in your eyes. No. Don't. You can't bullshit. That was the resistance that you felt. You're better than that, dude. I saw you outside before I even came in. No, you're better than that. That's not cool. It's really not. I am not a person hurting anybody. I'm a person hurting. This is
The suspect continuously alternated between asserting herself as a victim and expressing anger at the police, claiming she was treated unfairly. She accused a police officer of deceiving her into complying and not wearing a mask during the interaction. If you feel unfairly treated, remain calm and cooperate with the police. Try to remember the details of the event and seek legal support if necessary. Resolving disputes civilly and avoiding disruptions helps maintain calm and respect. Protecting personal rights is essential, but following the law and keeping a positive attitude will yield better results.
Yeah, I had to pull her off an aircraft, so I don't know how she's going to act. So we'll see how it goes. Ready to step out? Are you going to comply with everybody?
No, with you two, yes. He said the reason he has me arrested right now is why is you because I looked at you outside of the plane before I ever went in there. You know, can I say something before anybody takes me out so that I can just say what I have to say? I will do what y'all want me to do.
Once again, we see a case where the arrestee blames a specific officer for everything. The woman refused to cooperate with this officer but claimed she would comply with other law enforcement members.
Like, I'm sorry, that's what happened. So, I know.
Here, let me get your temperature at least.
Sorry.
Anybody? No? Yeah?
I'm not complaining, you guys did. Y'all just, And I thought he was cute too. I looked into my eyeballs, and then he abused that.
At the end of the arrest, she continued to say nonsensical things and use foul language towards the nurse checking on her. This woman should understand that such uncontrollable behavior not only tarnishes her image, but can also lead to further legal troubles. No matter how intense the emotions, respecting others, especially those on duty, is crucial. Negative behavior can make it hard for others to sympathize and cause unnecessary additional tension.
I was on an airplane. I was doing nothing. I was speaking. I should not be arrested right now, man.
And we'll get to the bottom of what's
Your person. Use my constitutional procedure. But I need to follow your procedures, right?
Take your leg out.
Can I have your name, please?
Okay.
That makes me want to be safe. Why is this like this? This is not my team. I would relax if you would let me. You're not. Is she good?
Her erratic moods and irrational reactions continued until the end of the video, where she blamed law enforcement for preventing her from relaxing. There are signs of possible mental health issues, but it is difficult to confirm without professional opinion. Ultimately, she was convicted on 2 charges and did not contest these charges. She received concurrent sentences, including 6 months of probation for misdemeanors such as resisting or obstructing an officer without violence and trespassing, along with 16 days in Lee County Jail. Schroen was also required to undergo a mental health evaluation and substance abuse assessment. During her probation, Schroen was prohibited from consuming alcohol or using illegal substances. She was required to undergo mental health evaluations and substance abuse assessments. Additionally, she had to cover court costs and attorney fees. This incident highlights the necessary intervention by Port Authority officers to maintain order and safety on the flight. Additionally, it underscores the importance of complying with aviation safety regulations and maintaining courteous, cooperative behavior to avoid legal consequences. Adhering to regulations not only protects yourself, but also ensures the safety of passengers and crew. Cooperation with airline staff and police helps maintain order, reduce tension, and avoid unnecessary conflicts. Calm, respectful responses in stressful situations help protect personal rights more effectively.
The plates are coming back to a different car. You know something about that? No, stop.
You don't touch me. I'm not touching you. You're not alone.
Listen, you also have... No, stop.
You don't touch me. I'm not touching you. You're not alone.
Listen, you also have...
I'm not going nowhere. Talk to me right here. We don't got to go outside.
You are on the camera.
On May 8th, 2023, Ohio police inspected the license plate of a vehicle improperly parked at a gas station near Circle K. They quickly discovered that the plate did not match the vehicle and that the plate's owner was under a warrant. Upon closer inspection, officers noticed that the vehicle identification number, VIN, was partially obscured by papers inside the car. Fortunately, the woman involved was an employee of the store, so she did not flee upon seeing the police in the parking lot. However, she appeared very anxious. The suspect was later identified as Marlo.
How are you? My name's Aaron. This is Jay. Is that your car? What's your name? What's your name?
Marsha Dixon.
Okay. The plates are coming back to a different car. You know something about that? No? How long you had that car?
Not like 3 months.
What's that?
3 months. I bought it for 3 months.
So the plates are coming back to a different car where we run the plates, and the plates that are on it, obviously that's out of Equinox, and the plates are expired as of last year.
Officer Aaron approached the woman and informed her that the license plate belonged to a different vehicle and asked Marlo if she was aware of this. Marlo responded that she did not know and said that she had bought the car from someone else, appearing uneasy. At this point, the officer mentioned that the license plate had expired the previous year. In Ohio, Section 4503.1, one of the traffic code mandates that all vehicles must be registered and have their license plates renewed periodically, usually annually. Driving with an expired license plate is illegal and can result in fines, with the amount varying by county and the duration of the expiration. Police have the authority to stop vehicles for inspection, and if an expired plate is found, they can issue a citation and impose corresponding penalties. Additionally, having a license plate that does not match the vehicle is a serious legal violation. This can occur when a license plate does not belong to the vehicle it is attached to, such as using a fake plate or a plate from another car. This is regulated under Section 4549.08 of the Ohio Code. Violations can be considered a third-degree misdemeanor with penalties up to $500 and a maximum of 60 days in jail.
So we just want to verify the registration on the vehicle. But you got a piece of paper there on the VIN that's half covered up. Do you have your ID on you first?
No, I didn't bring it because I'm clearly at work.
Okay. We're not trying to cause you any problems, but obviously there's vehicle plates that aren't matching. We just want to verify, make sure the car's not stolen or anything like that.
Marlo stated that she did not have any identification, but once the vehicle's VIN was confirmed, her identity would be established and the arrest warrant would come back to haunt her. The VIN is a unique identifier for each motor vehicle. It contains information about the manufacturer, vehicle type, and technical details, and can be used to track the vehicle's history, including registrations and ownership. When law enforcement or authorities check a vehicle's VIN, they can access databases to find information about the vehicle's owner. If the vehicle is registered under Marlo's name, this information will confirm her identity, even if she lacks identification.
Where's the keys to the car? Are you able to move that piece of paper?
Yeah, I have to go in the job and get out the office.
Thank you.
You over there, just move the paper for me, okay? Okay, you can close it.
Subsequently, officers looked up the suspect's name and details, discovering that she had multiple warrants and no driver's license. They also checked the vehicle's information and found it had not been registered since 2021. Section 4507.02 of the Ohio Code, driving without a license. Everyone driving on public roads in Ohio must have a valid driver's license. This means drivers must pass theoretical and practical tests to demonstrate they have the skills and knowledge to drive safely. Anyone driving without a valid license is breaking the law. Penalties can include fines and, in some cases, imprisonment. Additionally, under Section 2935.01 of the Ohio Code, police have the authority to arrest anyone found to have an active warrant. This means if during an inspection police discover someone has an active warrant, they can arrest that person without additional legal procedures. After informing the woman about everything, she made a mistake many others make. She tried to tell the police what they could and couldn't do, which never ends well.
You cannot do that. I was not driving in, was not moving, none of that. You can't do that.
Listen, no, stop.
Don't touch me. I'm not touching you.
Listen, you also have stop.
Don't touch me. See, look at it. Look at it.
Stop.
You see it, right?
Stop.
Put my camera
on. You can put your camera on, but come over here and talk. I'm going to explain some stuff. I'm going to explain some stuff to you. I'm going to explain some stuff to you. Get away from the door. Come over this way so people...
She was seen taking out her phone to start recording the incident, repeatedly saying that the police can't do that, even though the officers continually explained and asked her to move away from the door to let others pass, but she did not comply, leading to her arrest.
Can you get cover? Right. Stop.
You see this, Melissa, right?
Stop resisting.
I wouldn't even do it.
Stop it. Now we're going back. We'll explain it to you in a second as soon as we get her handled.
You're wrong.
Stop.
Y'all are wrong.
Come on. Stop. Come on.
Wrong.
Yeah, stay up. Come on. Stop. Come on. Stop.
You offered me because I didn't put my hands on y'all. I'm not touching y'all. Y'all touching me. I'm not doing nothing to y'all.
You would have just cooperated and walked over to the car.
I told y'all could talk to me on the camera. I'm not going nowhere. Talk to me right here.
You are on the camera.
Marlo persistently resisted, claiming she did nothing wrong and implying that the police were at fault. If you are arrested by the police and know you are innocent, the most important thing is to remain calm and follow their instructions. Provide identification if available, and do not resist, argue, or run away. If you believe you are innocent, cooperate respectfully with the police and remember all the details of the incident. Then you can contact a lawyer to protect your rights and resolve the legal issue, avoiding behavior like the woman in the above situation.
while you're in the back seat.
Let somebody know.
Okay, we'll let somebody know when you get a chance.
No.
Get your feet in the car.
No.
Stop. Get your feet in the car.
After several attempts to place the suspect in the police car, officers finally succeeded, but she continued to resist. Her actions could be charged as resisting arrest under Section 2921.33 of the Ohio Code. Section 2921.33 of the Ohio Code, resisting arrest. A person violates this law if they intentionally prevent or obstruct a law enforcement officer from making an arrest. Resisting arrest can involve using force, threatening to use force, or failing to comply with an officer's orders. Nonviolent resistance, resisting arrest without using force, is considered a second-degree misdemeanor. Violent resistance, using force to resist, is considered a first-degree misdemeanor.
Stop.
Hold, you have to go in this car.
No,
you can do this the easy way. Come on.
Stop.
Come on. You need to stop. You need to stop. You need to stop.
Stop.
You need to stop.
My phone. I stop when I get my phone.
Stop. Now. Stop.
I stop when I get my phone.
Stop. Get your feet in the car.
The woman tried to use her leg to prevent the police from closing the car door, and it took about 2 more minutes for the police to control the situation. She was then taken to the county jail for processing according to regulations. The female suspect was charged with resisting arrest, with additional charges pending for the warrants and vehicle-related violations. However, she pleaded not guilty to the resisting arrest charge and decided not to appear in court on the trial date, which added to her legal issues. Ultimately, the woman faced legal consequences for her actions. This incident highlights the importance of complying with vehicle registration and license plate regulations and cooperating with law enforcement when arrested. Resisting arrest only worsens the situation and leads to more severe legal repercussions. Instead, following vehicle regulations and cooperating with the police will help resolve issues effectively and minimize legal risks. Have you ever wondered how a small incident could trigger a chain of unexpected legal troubles? Minor actions can lead to unforeseen consequences, turning an ordinary evening into an unpredictable story. Join us as we explore this journey ahead. On August 20th, 2023, in Wisconsin, the police were called to a neighborhood concerning a car rollover incident. They quickly arrived at the scene and began their investigation.
All right.
Hello. Looks like you might have crashed your car, huh?
Oh my gosh. Hi. Yeah, I'm Rachel. Nice to meet you.
Rachel? Eli, what's going on? How'd this happen?
I don't know.
You're not sure?
This is my vehicle,
Yeah.
yes, obviously.
Well, how did it end up on its side? Where are you coming from tonight, Rachel? Town? Southside Eau Claire?
Yeah.
What's their address? Do you know off the top of your head?
I don't know.
Okay.
But we had stopped to pick up a friend at Hobbsy's.
Where is that?
Hobbsy's is a tavern on this side of town, but I don't know their exact address. And there was nobody with me, and I can tell you, like, there was obviously
When the police arrived, they found a car belonging to a girl identified as Rachel, which had rolled over without any signs of collision with another vehicle. They began investigating the cause of the accident, starting with questioning the girl, who displayed clear discomfort when the officers inquired about her condition.
You had anything to drink tonight, Rachel?
no,
It's not gonna incriminate you any further.
I know. Not since 6 p.m.
6 p.m.
So I would say
a few hours then.
what we considered a beer cocktail, I guess. 4%.
And you just had one of them?
Yeah, it's just fun.
Okay.
Of the cocktail, I'm sorry.
That's okay. Okay. Do you have any, like, issues with your eyes at all? Like, do you have any...
That I'm aware of.
Do you have any... First and foremost, I guess I should have asked this a little bit ago. Okay. So here's the deal, Rachel.
So, here's the deal. No.
Well, you don't have to answer anything.
If you'd like to know, actually, I'll let you know what's going on from now. Because you've superseded your rights of asking me questions.
Hi, ma'am.
You can talk to my attorney.
It's Rachel.
He knows my name.
Is it Rachel?
I won't be answering any more of your questions. I think I've made that very clear.
They quickly suspected that Rachel might have been driving under the influence and started questioning her about it. Rachel admitted to having a low alcohol cocktail at 6 p, but insisted she hadn't drunk anything since. As the investigation continued, Rachel became increasingly defensive and refused to cooperate with the police, insisting on resolving the matter through a
Where have
lawyer.
you been drinking tonight, Rachel?
I haven't been drinking tonight.
I can smell the alcohol from you.
I guess you can smell the alcohol from me, but I haven't been drinking, so.
Okay, why am I smelling alcohol from you? Have you been around people who have been drinking? Is there a reason why I'm smelling alcohol right now? It doesn't come from nowhere. Does that make sense?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Makes total sense,
So
yeah.
where have you been drinking tonight?
I think I already told you. Any questions you have, you can talk to my attorney. Okay.
Are
Yeah.
you... Yeah,
I think
know.
that's like
Did
very
you ask
clear.
about field
No.
Are you willing to perform any field tests for us tonight?
No, I would not be willing to perform.
You willing to do a PBT for us tonight? Okay, you're going to be under arrest for OWI.
Okay.
I got it.
This time, she denied having consumed alcohol, and when asked, Rachel refused to undergo breathalyzer tests and also refused a blood test, forcing the police to inform her that she would be arrested for driving under the influence. In Wisconsin, under Section 343.305, all drivers on public roads are considered to have consented to alcohol concentration testing if requested by law enforcement. If they refuse, their driver's license will be suspended for at least 1 year, and they may be required to install an ignition interlock device on their vehicle under Section 343.305.
Is there something in your car? I'm like, what?
Yeah. So where was it parked?
Literally parked right in between these two trees here.
So it launched it like 20 feet, huh?
Yeah.
Holy cow. There was nobody in it?
Nope.
Okay.
No, they're all.
It's your vehicle?
Yes, sir.
Okay, what's your first name?
Cody.
All you're going to need to do from this whole thing is you're going to just have to call Progressive, give them that case number, say that your vehicle was hit. She's not being cooperative, really, so I don't know if she has insurance or not. I would imagine.
She got out of the vehicle just fine.
Yeah.
So any scratches or anything like that.
Yep. I'll get you that crash card, and then if you want to, you probably want to move the vehicle.
I could try.
I would. It doesn't look like it's too damaged. I think maybe the tire must have rode up on the hood or something. I really don't know. To be able to flip a car on its side,
yeah,
you would think there would be a lot more damage.
Crazy.
Yeah, very. I've been working here for a little bit, and I don't think I've seen a car flipped on its side in a residential area before.
The police then proceeded to take witness statements.
And what am I under arrest for?
Operating while under the influence of alcohol.
And is that assumptive or assured? Is that an assumed offense or is that an assured?
I still don't know what you mean by that.
Okay, I didn't think so. It's okay. I mean, did you assume I was operating under alcohol or had you been assured by some sort of test? Correct? Is that correct? Yes or no?
Rachel, we're not going to have this conversation.
Okay, so that was correct, right? That's why you arrested me. You assumed I was operating my vehicle, correct?
What happened to you not talking?
Well, I didn't think so. That's okay. It's okay. It's a bitch when you arrest a lawyer. We just kind of let you, like, walk into those things. But you didn't read me my Miranda rights, and you also didn't tell me what... I mean, it's okay. We all learn. But you do know when you arrest somebody, you have to read them their Miranda rights, right? You know that? And you know any arrest that you make without reading Miranda rights.
In addition to her lack of cooperation with the police while in the patrol car, it seemed that Rachel's sense of entitlement truly began to show.
So one potential resolution for tonight is I have the discretionary option of releasing you to a sober, responsible party instead of taking you to jail. Is there, first question for you is there somebody who comes to mind who is a sober, responsible party right now? If you don't want to answer my questions, then we're going to be going to jail. All right. Jail it is.
My husband lives in Nebraska. Like, he's in Nebraska. My husband is in Nebraska. That's where he works. Where he lives. Do you want me to repeat that for you? My husband is in Nebraska. So, I'm a married woman. And my husband lives in Nebraska because that's where his work is.
Maybe.
I think that answers it. My husband is in Nebraska. Where a responsible party is, my husband is in Nebraska currently.
Rachel was finally arrested for not having a legal guardian. Rachel was arrested and charged under Section 346.63, 1A of the Wisconsin statutes for first offense drunk driving, an act prohibited when alcohol or other substances impair the driver's ability to control the vehicle safely, leading to penalties such as fines, temporary suspension of the driver's license, and possibly requiring participation in a rehabilitation program. Furthermore, she violated Section 346.57, 2 by failing to maintain control, and Section 346.13, 1 by making an unsafe lane change, both of which could result in fines and impact her driving record. Rachel was also charged with failing to provide proof of insurance under Section 344.62, which could lead to license suspension. These actions are all dangerous and reflect a severe disregard for the law. This serves as a profound reminder of the severe consequences of driving under the influence and failing to cooperate with law enforcement. Such actions not only endanger your own safety, but also put the lives of those around you at risk. Therefore, each of us must take responsibility for maintaining safety and respecting the law to protect our community and contribute to building a safer, more civilized society.
Okay.
Me. Do not touch me. Okay, leave her alone.
All right, I'm conducting a DUI investigation, okay?
I understand that.
Okay.
Do not talk to me.
I'm going to request
I'm a fucking retarded.
Okay, nobody said that.
March 25th, 2024. Police approached, knocked on the door of the suspicious car, but the person inside remained motionless. What was waiting for them behind the locked door?
Police department. It's the police, wake up.
Ground floor 182, signal 77.
Police, wake up.
2-4.
Ma'am. Wake up. Hey, they said that she's parked here every day. This vehicle's parked here almost every day, so I'm thinking she lives at one of these two places. They think it's maybe this one, for sale.
Mother appears, pleading with her daughter to open the door. But was it really just a seizure?
I was concerned about her.
Hey. Britt, it's Mom.
Apparently she almost crashed into somebody on the way here, so.
Brittany. Oh, thank you, sweetie. She opened it. Forget it. Thanks, Seth. Hey, sweetie. Hey, turn it off.
Our community, you'll hear about it on the Black
Please turn off the car.
Listen to
Do you have a seizure? Are you okay? Let's get inside. Let's go inside. Get your meds.
Yeah, let's go inside.
Okay, let's go.
Let's
go. Let's go. Where's your purse?
Ma'am, you can back away. I can talk to her now. What's going on tonight?
What is?
I don't know. You tell me.
You tell me.
Everything okay?
Is everything okay?
I don't know. What's going on tonight? You seem like you're very intoxicated.
Is it? Mm-hmm. That's so cute for you.
Can you step out of the car for me?
I would not.
You don't want to step out of the car?
I would not.
Why not?
Because you're asking me to.
So I'm giving you a lawful order to step out of the vehicle and you're refusing to? Is that what you're telling me?
Absolutely.
Okay. We can do this one of two ways. You can get out of the car
let's
voluntarily, or I can take you out of the car.
Let's fucking go there.
When the police ordered her to leave the car, the girl coldly replied, "I won't do that." From here, the situation started to spiral out of control.
Where's your keys to the car? Are they in the car?
Stop. Do not reach in my car. Stop. Do not touch me.
My daughter.
Do not touch me.
I'm ask you to step back, please.
Do not touch me. 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 Do not.
Ma'am, get out of the car.
Me.
I'm asking you to get out of the car. I'm a police officer.
Do not touch me.
You need to get out of the vehicle, okay?
Do not touch me.
So he needs.
That's not an option, ma'am. I can touch you if you refuse to do what I asked you to
No, that's not an option for you. Don't touch me.
do. You need to get out of the car.
Don't touch
Come on.
me.
Come on. Either you get out of the car or I'm going to throw you on the ground. I don't
No,
want to
you're
do
not.
It.
I will so sue your ass.
Man, I'm giving her a lawful order to get out of the vehicle. She's refused. That's resisting.
Do not fucking touch me.
I am stepping.
Get out of the car.
I need you to step back.
Do not touch me.
You can go to jail for obstruction too, ma'am.
Record from over here, please.
Do not
Ma'am.
touch me.
Record from back here.
Get out of the car.
Do not touch me. Do not touch me.
Get out of the car. I'm asking you nicely to get out of the vehicle, okay?
Do not
There you go.
touch
Okay.
me. Do not touch
All
me.
right.
Okay, leave her alone. Okay, you're both going down. She can go to her house.
She just put her hands on me, man.
You put her
I
hands
cannot put my hands
Yeah,
on you.
because I'm asking her to get out of the car.
I put my hands on you.
Well, that's not how this
Just
works,
relax.
man. Sorry.
Okay, good. That's where you need to stay.
She can go to jail tonight then.
When everything seemed to be over, an unexpected detail made the case more complicated than ever.
Why?
Come on, I'll explain everything to you out here. Come on.
No, why?
Ma'am, you're in my police
Don't
car.
fucking don't touch me.
Ma'am, you're in my
Do
police
not
car.
touch me. I understand that, and
You're
I'm
under
telling
arrest.
you, do not touch me.
Well, then step out of the vehicle. I won't have to. Come on.
Please don't touch me like that.
I'm holding you so you don't fall down, man.
Please do not. I'm not falling down, bitch. Fucking do not talk to me.
All right, here's
like
the
that.
thing. Here's the thing. All right, I'm conducting a DUI investigation,
I
okay?
understand that.
Okay.
Do not talk to
I'm
me
going to
like
request
I'm
that
a fucking
Hold on.
retarded.
Okay, nobody said that. I'm going to request you perform some field sobriety exercises. Are you willing to do that?
Absolutely not.
Okay, do you understand they can be used against you? That can be used against you?
Absolutely yes.
Hold on.
But you're
Hold
not
on.
going to
Hold
use
on.
that against me at all.
Hold on. You understand that the refusal to do them it can be used
I
against
still
you?
do.
You understand that?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Please do not touch me. Please get your hands off of me right now. Please get your hands off of me right
Man,
now.
you're being arrested. Get out of the car.
Please get your hands off of me right now.
Come on. I'll make sure to notate that you refuse to perform the field sobriety exercises, okay?
You fucking lying ass motherfucker.
Can you hold her just right here
You're
so I can
lying
take my
ass
zero
bitch,
off? Stand right there for me, okay?
You're lying
Are you military?
Do you
Are you
think so?
Are you active duty?
Do you think so?
You kept saying something about wanting to die for me and stuff, so I didn't know.
I would never die.
You wanna?
Yeah.
Oh,
Please do.
hold on, come on, calm down.
No, please do. Go for it.
Good for what? Looks like you've urinated all over yourself too.
Yeah. You like that?
No.
Oh God.
You having a bad day?
Like a weirdo.
Weird. Just pointing out observations, man.
Oh, I know you are.
In Florida, a first-time DUI can result in a fine of $500, 0 cents, $1,000, 0 cents, and up to 6 months in jail, while a non-violent resisting officer conviction can result in a fine of up to $1,000, 0 cents, or 1 year in jail probation. The girl was charged with driving under the influence, DUI, and non-violent resistance to law enforcement. Up next, a seemingly normal test takes an unexpected turn, and it all starts with a puff of smoke.
How you doing? Hey, we just get paid by the hotel to do laps around the parking lot. Okay. Make sure there's no criminal activity, make sure that people are not doing things they're not supposed to be doing, and that's it. You mind rolling down that window for me, ma'am?
What window?
The one, yeah.
Like smoking?
Yeah.
Weed?
Yeah.
My kids. Alright.
You have any weapons on you?
You're doing this with her in the backseat.
Just a couple questions for you. You happen to have a medical part on you?
No, I don't.
Do you know if your partner does in the passenger seat? And it's very apparent the odor that's coming out of this car, okay? Of cannabis. Alright. Do you have a license on you? He was breaking something up as I walked up. Thank you. Are you guys staying here?
Huh?
Are you guys staying here?
Yeah.
Alright, cool. Are there any weapons in the car?
No.
Okay.
Hands up, keep your hands up. Hands up.
Bro, you're smoking weed with, is this your daughter in the back?
No.
Who's that?
That's my stepson.
You're just being detained in cuffs, alright, because of the drug investigation, alright?
Alright, cool.
Step back here. Alright, so I'll be very honest with you, Miss Lopez. We're just checking out with people based on the odor of cannabis coming from your vehicle. We're just going to do a quick search for a drug investigation, and then we get out of there, okay? As long as that's the only thing we have no issues. But if we find harder stuff, you also got to take into account that, I'm not sure how old the child is, but you guys are smoking in the car with the child.
Okay.
Alright? You don't have anything on you? Pockets tucked in, anything of that nature? So just hang out for me. Stay in the car. Stay in the car.
Orlando police patrolled the hotel parking lot. Thick smoke is coming from inside a mysterious car, and the police immediately rushing to investigate.
So you can hold on to the child, but you're detained and you're not free to leave. Do you understand what I'm saying?
Come here, baby.
Is that a yes?
Yeah, that's a yes. He's not going to jail, right?
No. He's just being detained, just like you are.
Okay.
We detain people in handcuffs. That is how we work. I'm not going to do that for you, so you can maintain
Come here,
contact
baby.
with the child, okay?
Come here. Come here, Poppy. Yes, come inside the car.
Hey, ma'am, you can get out, leave everything in, and go get the child, okay?
How y'all smoking in front of him? Huh? How y'all smoking in front of him?
In front of the baby.
Not even in the front of it, like in the same car, hot box in the car with the baby inside.
She had the door open. Can you ready?
So? The baby's window wasn't open.
Honestly.
Do you? Stop moving around. Y'all staying here tonight?
Yeah, I live here. I live in the second floor. That's the keys for my car.
Can you figure wind your tents? Wind your tents. Wide.
Alright, come over here. I'm happy to see all the characters, alright? Okay.
Go with mommy. Go with mommy. Mommy's calling you.
Coming around to get the child.
Is there nobody else?
Come
with
here.
you guys?
No. Wait, come here. We're not going inside yet.
Hey!
Hey!
Hey! Listen to mommy. Now, get over here.
Come here. Wait a minute. We're not going inside.
Get here. Come here. Come here. Now you're in trouble. Come here.
Come here.
You can go to mommy?
Amidst the thick smoke, they discovered a child. But it didn't stop there. What happened next stunned the entire parking lot.
Joints. That white powdery bag residue that we put into Orlando Police from our drug bag was on the floorboard where her right foot was the entire time.
You guys live in Orlando?
Yeah.
You guys just, huh? You live here?
You know,
Then, let me talk to you over here real quick. So, I want to ask you a few things before I do. I just have to read you your Miranda rights. Anything you say may be used against you in court. Do you understand?
Yes.
So as I said when we walked up, we're officers of the Orlando Police Department. We basically patrol these parking lots just to make sure no criminal activity is happening, people that are not wanted are not here, guns, drugs, things of that nature, okay? We came up to your car. As I came up to the driver door that was open, I could smell the smoke coming from there. Alright? We found cannabis inside, found blunts inside, and found another thing inside that was on the floorboard of the driver's side where you were sitting. What would that be?
I only smoke, so I don't know.
You don't know? Okay. You didn't know about the bag that was on the floor? Small white baggie? The white powder in it?
No, I don't do that, so I wouldn't know about that. The person that used the car before me was my cousin, but I don't know anything about that.
Is there a reason you guys are smoking with the child in the car?
I mean, I don't have no one to watch him. We were just smoking. I had the door open. I mean...
The vehicle's hot box.
I understand.
Real talk.
I
We don't have to just pretend anymore.
Yeah, I understand.
You can still see the smoke inside.
I mean, you asked me a question why smoke, and that's...
Yeah.
I know you're not supposed to, but...
You're not supposed to smoke here. Okay? Especially in a car. Even if you had a medical marijuana card, there's still rules and stipulations on how you smoke that way. You're not supposed to smoke inside of a vehicle. You're also... There's not a law against it, hearsay, if you will. Some of it could be considered other things of a crime, but it's just more human nature not to smoke a narcotic around the store. Alright? Whatever your beliefs of cannabis are.
I'm under arrest.
I'm just talking.
A bag of white powder appears right at the woman's feet, but the identity of the real owner of the bag of powder makes things take an unexpected turn.
Look. Do you favor? Go ahead, put your hand on your back. I need a double.
You have my back for what?
Man, just walk around your vehicle over here. At this moment in time, you're being placed under arrest for possession of amphetamine, okay?
But that's not mine.
Okay, walk up to this car up here.
But what about my son?
We're gonna work everything out in
No,
minutes, okay?
I can't leave my son. He has nobody.
Walk this
Please.
way, and don't do this right now.
Please. My son has nobody. Please. Please. No, he has nobody though. But why am I getting under arrest? It's not mine.
Give me 1 second, just face the car for me, man. The cuffs need to be double locked, okay? So they don't tighten on you. She's fine. Oh, man. As you can see,
My son has nobody. Please, that wasn't mine. I don't do that.
there's no narcotics inside of this car. If when you get to the jail, you're pulled out, something is there.
That wasn't mine.
First, second, is there anything on you that you might have tucked in on your waistband, anywhere underneath your clothing? If you introduce it to the jail and they decide to be a victim, you can be charged with that as well. With that warning, is there anything else on you? Is that a yes or no?
No, there's nothing on
All
me.
right, go ahead and have a seat for me, ma'am. I'm just gonna slide across and go put the seatbelt on you, okay? What's on? I know. Can you just slide over a little bit to your left? You're on the buckle. I'm just trying to get it so I can put your seatbelt on, okay, ma'am?
I'm getting put under arrest. It's not even mine. You have no proof it's mine. How am I putting under arrest for it? Because it was in my seat. Mine. How am I putting under arrest for it? Because it was in my seat.
Woman arrested for possession of methamphetamine in child neglect. The police were desperate, but the arrest warrant was executed shortly after a drunk driving incident. A careless moment of smoking around children can lead to unintended consequences. Hey everyone, what do you think about this situation? If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and support us with a donation. Thank you so much.
Is there a problem?
Can you replay that?
Yes, I can, but not
you are the problem.
Okay.
Okay, so get back in your
Stop!
Out of the way!
Stop!
On April 7th, 2023, officers from the St. Augustine Police Department received multiple 911 calls about an intoxicated woman shouting at her child and causing a serious disturbance on her bridge. They quickly arrived at the scene to address the situation. The woman remained aggressive despite the officers' efforts. As calmed things down, she began accusing the officers of harassment without any valid reason. The situation quickly escalated when the woman refused to comply with their requests.
I'm Officer Kinney. I'm with the St. Augustine. Okay, I'm with the St. Augustine Police Department. I don't have a problem with you. I don't know you. I don't know your little boy here.
Yes.
Okay.
Documented for no reason. Like St. Augustine is hit or miss, whether or not you hit evil or you hit good.
If someone can start rolling this way, just code 1, just because I'm in the middle of traffic holding everything up.
I would prefer to have documentation of your copies of record.
Okay.
Of the complaint.
Okay.
I would love documentation.
Okay, well, I can't provide that to you right now in the middle of the bridge. I'd be more than happy to get that to you, but what I'm wondering is, for our safety and for the vehicles here, okay,
solid
here I've got, you're cussing at me.
Really?
Is there a problem?
Can you replay that?
Yes, I can, but not right now.
Because I haven't used that word at all. You are the problem.
Okay.
Okay, so get back in your fucking police car. I'm gonna recommend that you get in your fucking SUV. Because you are making shit up that is not happening.
The woman's behavior became increasingly unpredictable. She not only used foul language, but also accused the officers of fabricating evidence and made baseless allegations of corruption. When the officers attempted to arrest her, she fiercely resisted, making it difficult for them to get her into the police car.
What are we doing?
We're gonna put you in handcuffs.
Or are we just going to talk?
We'll get there.
We're detaining you right now.
Okay.
Okay? We're going to get out of all these nice people's ways. We're going to talk to your little boy, see why he's so upset.
You sure they're not
No, you're absolutely right. Maybe they are.
Hey, buddy.
But ever since we've been talking, you've been cussing at me?
No, I have not.
Yes, you have.
Please review the tape.
There's one of us that's not drunk here, and it's me.
I am not drunk.
Okay.
I am buzzed and I am happy and I've been enjoying my day. And I have not cussed at you once.
You wanna get on here? We can get off.
Let's get off the bridge. If you okay,
Stay
perfect.
still
Thank you.
before we replay the
Could you
tape.
step over for me?
Because I have not
Go ahead and
cussed
step
you.
over.
Come on.
I'm not.
Would you please?
Can you please just...
No, I'm not. You'll have to carry me, bro. I'm not going nowhere. Do you understand?
Here, stand her up.
Follow you molest people. No, I'm not stepping into the for no reason. Why am I being arrested?
The officers tried to arrest her. She strongly resisted, complicating their efforts to put her in the police car. Her growing agitation made control even more challenging as she screamed and demanded that no one touch her.
You have to tell me why I am being arrested. You have to read me my Miranda rights. You can't just for no reason. I was on the sidewalk. You go to hell.
I'm sorry, buddy. Hey, she's okay. Watch your step up there, okay?
Papa 2999 St. John's. Show one detained. She's gonna be in back of my vehicle. We can clear everyone off the bridge.
Hey, carry in. Hold on 1 second. Hold on the ground.
You mace me now. You wanna mace a 5 foot, 3 foot for what? Fucking walking across the bridge.
Her legs. Get her hand.
Even after being handcuffed, she continued to give the officers a hard time by resisting vigorously and trying to slip out of the cuffs. Throughout the confrontation, the woman continuously insulted the officers, threatened to sue them, and accused them of corrupt behavior.
Yeah, why are you rude? You know this is on the car, right? Oh, God, you guys are
Joey, here, grab the check.
Your shit stinks so bad. I'm so heartbroken. I'm so corrupt.
We're still trying to get under control.
Took my baby from me. Every mother.
Lift her up. Stuck. Lift her up. She's got me wrapped around her. She's wrapped around my leg cap. Let go. Get her up. Let go of his leg.
Tell her to let go of me.
She needs to be hobbled and placed in that car. We can't lift her up one more time.
Alright. We pick her up on all 4 sides and we'll just throw her in there.
Yes.
Come on.
Even if you have to tie it up more.
Yeah, let's treat her like a animal in the first place. There hasn't even been an exchange of conversation.
We check her while she's down. Cap coming in. Cap coming in.
You are losing your jobs, bro.
You. Okay, got her?
Go yourselves.
The officers ultimately had to use every measure to restrain her, even tying her hands and feet to prevent her from escaping again. Tensions peaked when she deliberately kicked an officer, a final act of defiance that highlighted the chaos and tension of the encounter.
Get the off of me, fucking pervert.
Stop.
You stop. Do whatever the I want. I'm in the fucking cab. Oh, you feeling real good? Aren't you? I'm already detained, you pervert asshole. Oh.
Stop hitting me.
Oh, yeah,
Hey.
stop detaining me.
Can you grab my glasses?
Pervert.
You still have the handcuff. What? She still got the handcuff. Get the handcuff on her hand. Get the handcuff on her hand.
Going on.
Hey, grab my glasses and shit right there.
We're gonna have to dump her back out.
She needs to
grab
be
her legs. She can only kick us from here. Grab the shackles.
Because you don't know what to do with an unbounded soul like you. You all are bots. You bots.
She's not shackled.
You are not.
She's shackled, but her hands.
I
got it.
Sold your souls.
No.
Or what? You know this is all recorded. And there's, I cannot see it. Bitch, I cannot wait. Right.
Got it?
The woman has committed several serious offenses under Florida law. She has been charged with disorderly conduct, resisting arrest with violence, and assaulting a police officer by intentionally kicking an officer while they were performing their duties. According to Florida statute 877.03, disorderly conduct can result in up to 60 days in jail and or a fine of up to $500.00. Florida statute 843.01 specifies that resisting an officer with violence is a third-degree felony, which can lead to up to 5 years in prison or a fine of up to $5,000.00. Furthermore, assaulting a law enforcement officer under Florida statute 784.07 is also a third-degree felony, which could result in severe legal consequences, including significant fines and imprisonment. Her actions not only violate the law, but also demonstrate a blatant lack of respect for law enforcement officers, highlighting the seriousness and potential danger of her behavior. These charges emphasize the importance of maintaining respect for legal authorities and the rule of law.
Yeah, we're good, we're good.
Stop!
Out of the way!
Stop!
Oh, you're so strong.
Sliding out of these things.
Oh, you're so strong.
Tight as you can.
You're treated like a animal.
Double handcuff.
Handcuff her.
Put another handcuff.
No, because she knows her rights. And you guys don't know what to do with the unbounded soul. You don't know what to do with her. And she's going to see our families ever. And that's her livelihood. Piece of shit.
We'll have to call her.
I'm just going straight to the jail.
Dude, how the f does she keep slipping those handcuffs?
This story serves as a reminder of the importance of staying calm and complying with the law in all situations. Reckless behavior not only endangers oneself, but also threatens public safety and can lead to severe penalties in tense situations. Remain calm. Listen and follow the instructions of authorities to ensure everyone's safety. One turn of the key, a few staggering steps, and the police stepped in just in time to save the entire road from the disaster that was her.
Myself, stop! You're f***ing stop! Stop! Why are you doing this?
Go down. On the ground.
Why are you doing this? Why?
Roll over. Roll over.
Why are you doing this? Why? Why are you doing this? Help me! Help me!
On June 22nd, 2023, police were called to a bar after an intoxicated woman attempted to start her car and drive away. A reckless decision made in a drunken state triggered a chain of chaos that quickly spiraled out of control.
Go ahead and turn that off for me. Go ahead and turn the car off for me. How about?
Yeah.
So why are you driving if you've been drinking?
I'm going home right now.
Okay. Well, I can tell you're extremely intoxicated right now.
Yeah.
You're slurring your speech. You're here at a bar. They're telling me that you're stumbling out of here. You can barely park your
They
car.
tell you that?
They're the one that called me.
Talk to them?
Stop. Just as she started the engine, she chose not to cooperate. The police simply asked her to stop, but she chose to run. That mistake brought her down on the spot.
We're not going to do that.
All right, I'm going.
Ma'am, no.
Ma'am.
Step up here.
Sir, please.
334 Central. Can you send me 94?
Please don't. Please don't. Hey! Do not address me. Do not. I'm not doing
Stop or you're
anything.
gonna get tased.
Stop!
334, whoever's in the house. Let's go. Nope.
Oh, I'm gonna stop myself. Stop! You're f***ing stop! Stop! Why are you doing this?
Go down, on the ground.
Why are you doing this? Why?
Roll over. Roll over.
Why are you doing this? Why? Why are you doing this? Help me! Help me!
Before the handcuffs could fully lock, she shifted from resistance to aggression, screaming, struggling, and turning the arrest into a tense, breathless struggle.
You love my community. Doing nothing for nothing. Help me!
Go roll over.
Help me!
Get on your stomach.
Help me! Help me! Help me! Help me! Help me! You goddamn right, you.
334 Central. I got one detained. Clear traffic. Slow response.
Help me!
Go on, stand up.
Help me! Yeah.
Roll on your butt.
Help me!
What's going
Help me!
What's your name?
Help me! Help me! Help me! Help me!
So,
Help me!
she wasn't driving?
I'm walking home from my mother
She
spot and you put it in attack me.
She had the car started when I walked up.
Help
Had her turn it off, had her step out. Slurred speech, I explained why I'm here. She started to run away from me, I told her to stop, didn't stop.
Exactly.
Grabbed onto her.
Take a deep breath.
Look at y'all.
We're gonna stand you up.
Amid the unrelenting rage, police were forced to tighten their control as their screams continued to echo. The patrol car door closed, bringing an end to the chaos.
First, you better leave that shit on me.
I got it. I'll search. I got it.
Yes. Leave my shit the f on.
We're just gonna sit.
Stop
grabbing.
Hey,
stop grabbing. It's done. Okay, we're done.
No, it ain't done.
Relax.
Get the f off my purse, you little.
You just need to calm down for us. We're taking it.
I will come. No, you ain't taking
It's
shit.
going with you, but we're not gonna keep it on you, okay?
Relax. Let it go, man.
Bitch.
Wes, are these hers?
Those are hers,
I fully thought about what I'm doing, and I'm totally look at y'all.
Just ask her if she's going to Smithfield's prior exercise. I'm sure she'll tell you to piss off, but at least ask.
Y'all are.
Hey, can you listen to me real quick?
You pig.
Wes, we're done.
Hold on.
You better shut the up.
That's not happening.
Bitches, that's what they are. They're f***ing pig ass. Look at them. They're f***ing pig ass. Look at them, look. Ah!
Let go. Don't you try and bite me.
Resisting.
Oh, look at you.
Stop resisting.
Get the f*** up.
No, stop. Until you calm down, you're staying right where you're at, because we're not going to get kicked or hurt. So whenever you're done.
Till I get to my neighborhood.
Okay.
We're gonna.
No, you want to tell it.
We're good. We'll just get a plan.
I'll have this side, you can have that side, and then on the legs.
Oh yeah, is that good for you, you dumb mother?
We'd rather not.
In Florida, driving under the influence can result in up to 9 months in jail and a fine of up to $2,000, 0 cents. Resisting law enforcement, especially with violence, can lead to a prison sentence of up to 5 years. She could face charges including driving under the influence, resisting law enforcement, and disorderly conduct. Up next, Karen drove drunk, lectured the cops on the law, and spectacularly self-destructed.
What are you doing right now?
I'm placing you under arrest for driving under the influence.
Are you kidding me?
No, I'm not.
There's no way.
Okay. We're going to walk over to my vehicle right over here. Go ahead and just step through there.
You've
Watch
got
your step.
to be kidding me.
Watch your step.
I knew not to do this. What the?
I'm going to step right over here.
A late-night fight report brought police to the scene, and just minutes later, a suspicious SUV was stopped in the middle of the road. The truth was about to be uncovered.
We're trying to figure out what's going on, okay?
I know, we're trying to get out of here.
Everybody's all right? Listen,
Everybody's
I'm probably going to have you guys all step out so you all can individually talk to an officer real quick, and just we'll sort things out, and then we'll get you guys on your way. You understand? Everybody just stay in the car right now. All right?
Yes, sir.
What's your name over there, man?
Quentin Henderson.
Quentin, there's a female officer on that side. You're going to step out. Okay. Hey, will you take a look at the floorboard? He dropped something on the floor there. What'd you drop on the floor there, Quentin?
That was a pen.
A what? Go ahead and just step out, and then, yeah, you can talk to one of the officers on that side. Sir, what's your name? Sir?
Just call me sir.
No, not you. I'm talking to him in the back seat right here. What's his name right here?
The closer the police got, the stronger the smell of alcohol became. Open beer cans, averted eyes. Then suddenly, the car doors locked tight like a silent declaration of defiance. In the night.
My name is Shane.
Shane. How's it going, man?
How do you know my name?
She told me. She told me your name. Listen, Shane, I'm going to have you step out so I can talk to you, all right? No, sir? Why not?
Well, because,
why is that?
Because I don't have to step out.
You don't have to step out.
No, I don't have to listen.
Really, we don't.
Really?
Yes, sir.
Shane, you don't need to make this more difficult than it needs to be.
We're not, though. He's just a passenger.
I understand, but he was reported as being involved in a fight with somebody. He was.
That's for them people, not me. I'm just a passenger.
Okay, well that's what we're trying to figure out here, Shane.
Yeah, I'm just.
That's what we're trying to figure out.
Nothing to do with it.
Okay,
He really doesn't have to do
Continue
it.
with,
He was literally
your
sitting inside the car the whole
investigation.
time.
What's his name?
Who?
The dog.
Go see this. Yes. And where's Bella?
Oh, come here, baby.
Yeah, you should close that door.
Bubba, baby. They're really good little dogs.
Hold on. Keep going.
Oh,
No.
no, they're really good dogs.
Keep going. Go ahead.
Well, your tint's really dark, so if you don't mind rolling it down the rest of the way as we're still investigating.
Hey, call Ridge.
Ridge?
Wait. No, not you.
Oh.
I'm telling you.
No weapons inside this vehicle.
Thank you.
Okay. There's an open container between Shane's feet right here. Hey, Shane, open the window for me. Shane doesn't have his seatbelt on, which is a violation. He needs to identify himself, or I'm going to pull him out of the vehicle.
We pulled over.
Okay. He wasn't wearing a seatbelt. There's an open container on the floorboard in between his legs.
So, apparently it was another car that was involved with
That was involved with this?
And went on. So there's essentially the 20 from that point. So now we're just investigating this. Investigatory crime stops, whatever you have as well to resolve this. So the old container was done.
Yeah, there's an open container between his feet, and then he's not wearing a seatbelt.
Oh,
And I'm more than ready to smash a window tonight.
Same.
Yeah, I'll wait for him. Before things get too out of control here.
After being identified as the driver and found sitting next to an open beer bottle, Emily still insisted she hadn't had anything to drink, but the police don't rely on words. That's when the field sobriety test
So I'm
began.
Sergeant City with Sarasota Police Department. Okay, so right now I'm going to be conducting a DUI investigation on you. There's an open container in the car right next to you in the cup holder. There, I see the bottle. All right, have you been drinking tonight? Have you been drinking tonight? Can you step out of the car for us so we can conduct our investigation? If you're good to go, then you'll be free to leave.
What have I done? I actually was pulled over for no reason at all.
Well, you're pulled over. You're pulled over. Will cause to stop the car. Okay, well, originally the call that came out that there was a battery that occurred with a female and 2 male subjects, and then secondly, your window tint is way below the correct tint. It doesn't matter. You're operating it, so you're in charge of it. So there's my probable cause to stop you right there. Well, it's the window tint as well.
Yes, I can be
So
the supervisor.
I am the supervisor. I just pulled up in.
We're right down the street from the jail. Can I have a supervisor, please?
All right. So I mean, you can make it more difficult than it has to be, or you can just let us do our investigation and then.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. If you haven't been drinking, then you have really nothing, no problems. So you can just the key right there. Put the key right there, or put it in your pocket, whatever you. Yeah.
Putting it in my pocket.
If you work with us, we can work with you. This isn't a big deal. Okay. Just let the officers do their thing.
This man was sleeping in this car, so please do not bother.
Okay. He doesn't have his seatbelt on. There's an open container between his legs.
He had a seatbelt on before he pulled us over. We all took our seatbelts off when you pulled us over.
After the unsteady steps and unfocused gaze, the police needed no further excuses. The results of the tests were clear, and Emily was arrested on the spot for suspected drunk driving.
Perfect. Go ahead and stand with your feet together, heels and toes touching, hands at your sides outside of your pockets for me, and don't move from that position until I tell you to, okay? For this exercise, I'm going to need you to watch the color light right there. What color is that light for me?
Blue.
Don't move your head. You understand?
Okay.
Do you understand?
Yes.
Okay.
These guys backed up. Let's fucking go home, dude. Let's go home, dude.
Feel free to blink. I know it seems daunting to keep your eyes open for a while. You can blink. Go ahead.
Please. Please.
On the line. Left foot on the line. And then I want you to put your right foot directly in front of your left foot, heel touching toe, hands at your sides, and don't move from that position. Okay, I'm going to reiterate one time, okay? Make sure you watch your feet, count out loud each step that you take, maintain your hands at your sides, and then once you've began the exercise, don't stop until you've completed it, okay?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
The handcuffs didn't silence Emily. On the contrary, she exploded. Denials, insults, and accusations of police misconduct poured out, escalating the situation from tense to chaotic.
I want you to turn this way and put your hands behind your back for me, okay?
What are you doing? What are you doing right now?
I'm placing you under arrest for driving under the influence.
Are you kidding me?
No, I'm not.
There's no way.
Okay. We're going to walk over to my vehicle right over here. Go ahead and just step through there. Watch your step.
You've got to be kidding me. And I'll never get this time back. You're just taking me to jail for no fucking reason. Just because you have the right. I didn't do anything wrong.
But you were driving.
I was driving.
Yeah, correct. You were driving. You were driving the Violating Navigator.
And I just walked your line and did all the things.
Right.
Is anything else that they find that you at the jail? It's going to be an extra charge that I didn't.
100%, because I don't have anything on me.
Go ahead, have a seat right there.
Yeah.
Emily faces potential charges, including driving under the influence, refusal to submit to a breathalyzer test, failure to cooperate with police, and violations related to her windshield and seatbelt. A moment of lost control can ruin a life, whether driven by anger, alcohol, or a swollen ego. Resisting the law only makes mistakes worse. Take responsibility for your actions before they lead to irreversible consequences in a civilized society. Sobriety, cooperation, and respect for the law not only protect you, but also ensure the safety of the entire community. Hey everyone, what do you think about this situation? If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and support us with a donation. Thank you so much.
Put your arms behind your back, please. You're being placed under arrest for DUI. How do you think your brother's gonna feel if I call him and tell him your sister is drunk driving?
No,
at a high rate of speed.
I'm not drunk driving. I'm not. I'm like literally parking up here.
Yeah, I'm not talking.
Please stop. Yes. Pass it to him. Listen to him. Oh my God.
Thank you.
In a recent incident captured on police body camera footage, a woman named Kim experienced a whirlwind of emotions, from laughter to pleas for forgiveness, culminating in an arrest for DUI. The encounter offers a sobering perspective on the risks of impaired driving and the legal responsibilities individuals face when under the influence.
Can you put the car in park, please?
Yes, sir.
Have your driver's license, vehicle registration.
We drove really fast with the... You didn't know it was you guys.
Of course not. You almost ran over 5. Can you turn the car on?
Yes, of course. Can I pull?
Nope. I don't want you driving anymore because due to your eyes, I believe you to be drunk. How do you think your brother's going to feel if I call him and tell him your sister is drunk driving?
No,
at a high rate of
I'm not drunk driving. I'm not. I'm like literally parking up here.
Yeah, I'm not talking.
Please stop.
Okay. But due to your speech and your eyes, you're drunk. We can play this game and I can get you out of the car and do a whole DUI investigation.
Officers stopped the suspect, Kim, for dangerous driving, explaining that she nearly hit a group of pedestrians. Despite attempts to justify her behavior, Kim's speech and demeanor suggest intoxication.
Whatever you want me to do.
But due to your eyes and your slurred speech, you're drunk.
I'm not slurred speech. I'm really not.
Cool. So your driving is really bad. No, not us. A group of non-cops. Cops are not, like, it's still dangerous that you could have hit somebody. And we were dealing with one car for a separate reason. And you come out and you...
I apologize.
Okay, I hear you. It's not going to matter.
What's your name?
Alvarez.
I know it's not a joke.
Okay, is there anyone that's sober in the car?
I promise you I'm okay.
We'll start some things. It's not that I don't... Sure, go ahead, I'm listening.
No, please, no. We have someone that...
That decision should have been made prior to you driving.
We were literally right around the corner. We were just moving to this parking lot. That's all we were doing. So I apologize and
The officers observed Kim's slurred speech and fluctuating emotions from laughter to defensiveness, confirming signs of impairment. She claims to have been driving a short distance, but continues to argue, displaying inconsistencies.
I get it. So you see how you're keeping one consistent demeanor? You know what that means?
Because I have anxiety. I have
literally. She's on all the app. I'm not making it worse.
You're telling me she's on medication.
No, I'm not. No, I
right
just
now.
have.
But like,
no.
She does have anxiety, depression, everything. Like she has. I love her so much, but we didn't want to hurt anyone. Honestly, if we would have hurt anyone, we would have stopped and like probably risked our whole lives for them. Like honestly, we're probably the best people you've ever met.
Trying to get closer to where we're going.
I don't know anything to do, but I'm
Can I pull up or something? Am I gonna get arrested?
Probably.
Can I get arrested for her?
Because you're not driving.
Inside of her.
No, ma'am. I will take both of you to jail for DUI if I have probable cause. If you think that's funny.
I will go to jail for
I've done it before when boyfriend and girlfriends want to do
Why
stuff.
would you do that?
No, we're
and
not.
play
We're
like
not
I'm gonna swap the seats. I'm just telling you.
Honestly, it's just.
When your friend keeps trying to hide it, keeps trying to hide.
I just want my dad to be.
Yes. Pass it to him. Listen to him. Oh my God.
Thank you.
This is fucking.
Jenna.
Kim tries to explain her actions as a result of anxiety and depression, prompting officers to question her ability to drive safely. Her continued laughter and mood swings lead officers to proceed with a DUI investigation.
Can I get one of you guys to help me out here?
No, stop.
Kim, I'm gonna have you step out for a DUI investigation, okay? Kim, we're gonna walk back here towards the back of the Tahoe, okay? Doesn't matter.
You told me. I asked you. Can I ask you a personal
And you can. I'm just. It doesn't mean I'm gonna answer. All right, Kim. Listen, I believe you to be intoxicated. Okay. Your slurred speech, your eyes. Okay. and you're like fumbling around in the center console.
Because I have never had to do that before. I've never had to actually take out my driver's license or anything when you saw that little warning ticket. Because my daughter. Anyways.
That's fine. Come, I want you facing away from the lights. Let's go to the other side of this Mustang here.
I cannot hear you.
Sorry. Stand right here by the driver door. All right, Kim. You see the top of my pen?
Yes, I do.
Can you pick a finger and touch it? Perfect. Put it back down. So you're going to stand still.
Officers ask him to step out of her vehicle and begin field sobriety tests. She continues making excuses, mentioning her lack of experience with traffic stops and invoking her brother's status as a police officer.
You're tricking me right now. Like, can I ask a question?
Hold on, just finish the exercise first.
Am I allowed to blink? You're fucking tricking me.
You're gonna continue to follow the pen, okay?
Wait, can I say one thing now that the exercise session's like fucked up?
Has nothing to do with your vision, okay?
Follow the tip of the pen?
The entire pen. So, any idea what that exercise was?
Yes, this is check if I'm like intoxicated and am I okay to drive. Would he be upset with me?
This has nothing to do with your brother. But the exercise, so if these are your eyeballs, it's called an involuntary jerking of the eyes.
Are you sure? Because I think I was following very...
So, it's a muscle. You don't feel it, you don't control it. A consistent, steady movement. Kim, you are drunk. You are drunk to the point where I can take you lawfully to jail for what you are endangering the public.
Can you take away...
During sobriety tests, Kim shows difficulty with balance and motor control, indicating impairment. Despite her protest and attempts to downplay the situation, officers explain the significance of the tests.
I think you may have it. Are you ready to begin? Go ahead.
1, 2.
You can't use the car to...
And then what did you say?
Take a series of small steps. That was only one step. Yep. All right, Kim. Nope, you're good. Face me for a second. It's gonna be the last exercise. You ready?
No, I'm not.
You need a second? Begin.
All right. I can begin when I want?
Yep.
All right. 1008, 1009, 1010, 2000?
All right, Kim, you can stop. Kim, based off these exercises, Kim, can you please put your shoes back on? You're going to stand with my corporal for just a minute.
Others proceed with additional sobriety exercises, which further highlight her impaired state. Kim's frequent interruptions and erratic behavior continue to detract from her cooperation.
Don't look at me like that. Don't ask for forgiveness. It's not going to work. Can you put your arms behind your back, please? You're being placed under arrest for DUI. It's not about driving. Kim, can you please put your hands behind your back, please? Kim, don't resist, please. Don't do that. But it's not the end of the world. Can you separate your hands from your...
It is a big deal.
It is. But please, I don't... All right, Kim. Kim, is there anything in your pockets? Any cash, money, anything like that?
Wait, can I talk to my friends real quick?
In about 2 minutes, yes.
Can I get there?
Yep, I will get you phone numbers.
No, wait.
I have to, Kim. Please, Kim, can you please put your... Watch your foot, Kim, please. Thank you, Kim.
After multiple failed sobriety exercises, officers arrest Kim for DUI, despite her pleas for leniency and requests to contact her family. She's taken into custody. Officers emphasize the seriousness of her actions. In Florida, Kim's actions constitute a violation of Florida Statute 3.193 DUI, as she operated a vehicle while impaired, displaying signs like slurred speech and failing sobriety tests. Her erratic driving and near collision with pedestrians also trigger aggravating factors. Under 316.1933C, as her actions endangered public safety. Although she attempted sobriety tests, her interruptions and lack of full cooperation could be viewed as obstruction. Under Florida Statute 3,161,939 for a first DUI offense, with aggravating factors, Kim could face fines ranging from $500 0 cents to $2,000 and up to 9 months in jail. Additionally, she may be subject to 1 year of probation, 50 hours of community service, and a license suspension of 6 to 12 months. Florida law may also require her vehicle to be impounded for 10 days as part of her sentence, saying she would need to complete a DUI education course and potentially undergo substance abuse treatment. These penalties highlight the severity with which Florida addresses impaired driving, especially when it places the public at risk. In this case, the critical role of adhering to traffic laws and personal responsibility and safeguarding public safety is clearly demonstrated. It underscores the need for heightened awareness and education around substance abuse as part of our collective effort to create a safer community. We invite you to share your thoughts on this situation in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe for more insightful and informative updates. Thank you for your continued support.
Come here, come here. Come here. Nope, not doing that.
Excuse me, what did you just say to me?
You're not entitled to a lawyer to motor vehicles, man.
I'm not entitled to a lawyer.
No, you're not.
Please. Joseph, I don't want anything, please. I fucked up my car. Dude, I got assaulted, you piece of shit!
In a recent event, police encountered a woman exhibiting erratic and confrontational behavior following a car crash involving her Tesla. The incident quickly escalated, highlighting a series of defiant interactions between the woman and law enforcement. Her actions and subsequent arrest bring to light the legal implications of impaired driving and resisting arrest.
Okay now. Ma'am.
Baby.
Ma'am.
Come outside.
You gotta open the door, kid.
Priscilla, you gotta come out.
Ma'am, are you injured?
Are you okay?
Ma'am, are you injured? Ma'am, are you injured?
Are you okay? I am, but I need
Ma'am, ma'am, step to the back of the car, please. Ma'am, I'm a police officer.
Yes.
Ma'am, ma'am.
All right.
Ma'am. Come here, come here. Come here. Nope, not doing that. 7 or 8, stepping up. I have a hysterical female. Possible 450 here. Ma'am. Ma'am. Get out of the car, please. Get out of the car.
Yeah, well, I don't feel safe.
You don't feel safe? Why?
Lawyer.
Okay. You're not entitled to a lawyer at a motor vehicle stop.
Excuse me, what did you just say to me?
You're not entitled to a lawyer at a motor vehicle stop.
I'm not entitled to a lawyer.
No, you're not.
Police officers arrive at the scene of a Tesla crash involving a woman who appears disoriented and uncooperative. She refuses to exit the vehicle, citing as safety concerns, and demands to speak to her lawyer.
One vehicle is supposedly attempting to leave, and one party unconscious.
6 to headquarters. I have 1 car right now, 1 female driver, no other vehicles.
Lawyer. The stupid cops are not entitled to a lawyer.
Ma'am, ma'am, step out, please.
Audi and a Tesla.
Ma'am, step out,
one
please.
of them,
Ma'am, step out, please.
White car was with them. They must have been fighting or something. Because they were screaming over here and all of a sudden,
You didn't see anything,
no.
Driver's on?
She's the driver. She hopped over. She was staying over here. She's going to try to get out.
7 1/4 red jumping Tesla on scene is going to be X-ray 70 Papa.
I can't step out. Wait for my lawyer.
Okay, we'll wait for your lawyer, but step out, please. You have to step out. Ma'am, step out, please. Ma'am.
I want to talk to them.
The woman repeatedly declines to leave her car despite multiple requests. She becomes increasingly agitated, using explicit language and calling the officers assholes.
You have your ID on you?
I don't know.
You don't know?
I don't know. Are you Edgewater?
We are Edgewater Police. That's correct. Just so you know, it's being recorded, okay? It's all on body cam.
Okay, he got assaulted, but you don't want to listen, right? He doesn't want to listen.
Ma'am, let's start with this. What did you hit?
Can I talk to a lawyer? He doesn't want to. He said no.
Ma'am, what did you hit?
I am out of the car. I don't want you to do anything. Please. Joseph, I don't want anything, please. I fucked up my car. They don't care. They're being assholes.
Send you a plate on show.
Ring and colon.
I
know, I'm gonna
Step
stay
away
here.
from the car.
Do not
Step
touch
away
me.
from the car.
I
Step
feel
away
safe
from the
here.
car.
Thank
No,
you.
you're gonna get put in
Do
handcuffs.
not touch
You
me.
get put in handcuffs. Step away
No.
from the car.
I'm not doing anything. I'm right in front of the cross country. I'm not in the roadway. I'm on the sidewalk right here. Don't touch me.
Okay.
I'm in front of the CVS pharmacy. Do I got assaulted, you piece of shit?
When asked about her alcohol consumption, the woman avoids direct answers, shows hostility, and calls the officers derogatory names. Officers suspect impairment.
Hello.
So this is an EMT. She's here to
How
speak
you
to you.
doing? I'm an EMT. Can I help you?
I just want to wait to talk to someone.
You want to talk to me?
No.
Did you get hurt? Let me put you in the back of the ambulance. Let me check your
Stand by the cop and jury. Entering the cat is witness 2207.
What's that? She was attacked by her boyfriend, husband, or something. They probably did a little chase with each other. And he took off. I'm assuming she hit him.
We'll wait. We're here. We're off till.
EMTs arrive promptly to assess her physical condition and offer medical assistance, but she firmly declines their help, insisting she is fine. Meanwhile, the police request her cooperation to proceed with their investigation, but she remains unyielding, refusing to comply and voicing her deep-seated distrust in law enforcement, which seems to fuel her resistance to their inquiries and instructions.
I've never been in trouble. There we go.
Right. I was going to drive her home. We got a wedding tomorrow. I can show you the dress.
Dating, married?
Yeah, we're dating. And I saw this guy. I taped it off because I know she's been threatened by a former, and that's why I said, fuck it. I'm putting my fucking camera. I choose my language. He hit me with the car. That's when he hit me. I was trying to talk to him. I was standing in front of the car, but I was not.
I thought he was the one she hit. I turned around to speak to her.
I'm not condoning her driving or anything, but like it was not. She wanted to get out of there. So it was never. I was taking her out to drive her home to 79th Street to North Bergen, and you can watch.
He showed my other.
Oh yeah, you get my chat?
I'm sorry. Yeah. He just said that he was gonna.
You need CCTV?
Why didn't he show him?
I don't know how he got. I don't know because you can check the North Bergen car, and they said he's a cop. You know what they'll do to him, and that bothered me because I feel Bergen County would treat it different. Then she's afraid because don't take it the wrong way. You know what? Like she feels like there's nobody out to protect her.
Do you speak to these people? The ambulance?
Can I talk to her?
No, the ambulance or something.
I'll file a report. I'll press charges.
A man identifying himself as her boyfriend arrives at the scene and claims that she was desperately trying to evade someone who has been stalking her. He explains that the man she was fleeing from is allegedly someone she has a restraining order against, further asserting that her actions were driven by fear for her safety as she tried to escape the unwanted attention and potential danger posed by this pursuer.
Pull that out.
No. Honey, what am I?
Why? Ma'am.
Arrest me. Can I go home? Then arrest me.
Detained. She's requesting a place her in handcuffs.
Can I call her brother?
Sure.
Stand
there.
47, the plaintiff on this TRO is Medina.
You don't have to be afraid of people.
Sounds that way, according to the male
I don't know.
story.
She had two stalkers. I don't know if it's the guy a deal or if it's the cop.
North Bergen issued the TRO, the restraining order.
You're arresting me.
They did an original.
Have an active restraining order against a
Shut
deal
the
right
fuck
now.
up. Shut the fuck up.
No, it wasn't the airbag. I got hit by the guy that she ran from.
Why don't you check that?
I'd rather just make sure she's okay.
She's okay.
Yeah, let them look at you.
Just let them look at you.
Let them play.
The woman continues her verbal outbursts, eventually requesting to be arrested. Officers detain her, citing her erratic behavior and possible DUI offense.
Nah, fine, just warned. Unless she got a phone. No, I wouldn't make it 20 on that. Choose the RO, you said, right?
No valid ID in here.
My license isn't enough?
Well, no, this one has it's punched. I'm asking you before I look through it. want to tell us what happened tonight?
No.
No? Why's that? Did you have a bad experience with police? Is that why you don't like us?
You know what? Shut the
Did your ex-boyfriend assault you tonight?
God? How about that?
No, my job is to find out what happened.
You can tell. But the male in the white car in the video is telling you tonight.
No.
Okay.
Needed to.
That's it.
It's a lie.
It's a lie that he assaulted him?
Yeah.
I know.
You know what? Leave me alone.
As officers attempt to investigate further, the woman resists and verbally abuses them. She is ultimately arrested and taken for processing, facing charges related to DUI, resisting arrest, and endangerment in New Jersey. The woman's actions after the crash led to charges including driving under the influence, DUI, obstruction of justice, and public endangerment. Under NJC, a 39,450 DUI offenses carry significant penalties, especially for a first-time offense, with fines ranging from $250, 0 cents, to $400, 0 cents, a 3-month license suspension, up to 30 days in jail, and mandatory participation in the Intoxicated Driver Resource Center. Harderage, or refusal to cooperate, also falls under NJCAA 2C29.1, which defines obstruction of justice as behavior that impedes law enforcement. This charge can result in up to 6 months in jail and fines up to $1,000, 0 cents. Additionally, her erratic and confrontational behavior created a risk to public safety, aligning with NJ. This disorderly person's offense carries similar penalties, with up to 6 months in jail and fines up to $1,000, 0 cents, underscoring New Jersey's strict approach to preserving order and safety. In this case, the critical role of adhering to traffic laws and personal responsibility and safeguarding public safety is clearly demonstrated. It underscores the need for heightened awareness and education around substance abuse as part of our collective effort to create a safer community. We invite you to share your thoughts on this situation in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe for more insightful and informative updates. Thank you for your continued support.